Chapter 5. Ordinary Problem Analysis. 1. Sliding of clutch. Main reasons of clutch sliding. 1. There was oil on the face of the friction disc and pressure plate. 2. Freedom distance of clutch pedal is too small. 3. Friction disc is worn and torn too much, and the rivet end comes out. 4. Disc spring pressure declines or driven plate distorts. 2. Clutch is semi-separating and engages gear with noise. Main reason. 1. Freedom distance is too long. 2. Driven plate distorts too much. 3. 3 release lever ends are not on the same plane. 3. Difficult to engage gear or can't engage gear. Main reasons. 1. Main clutch can't separate clearly. 2. Mesh sleeve and spline axle teeth end are worn and torn or have gaps. 3. Interlocked pull rod of shift gears is too long. 4. Shift fork end is broken out. 4. Ineffective brake. Main reasons. 1. Brake friction disc is worn and torn too much. 2. Freedom distance of brake pedal is too long. 3. Friction disc is stained with oil. 5. Suspension agricultural implement can't lift up. Main reasons. 1. Oil level is too low. 2. Oil pump is worn and torn and inner leakage is serious. 3. Sliding valve is blocked. 4. Lifter cylinder leaks oil seriously. 5. Leaking oil from the oil ring of distributor. 6. Safety valve lapses. 7. Temperature of oil is too low or viscosity of oil is too thick. 8. Oil filter is blocked. 6. Lifter falling automatically. 1. Airproofing of distributor decline valve is bad and oil is dirty. 2. Airproofing of single direction valve of distributor is bad. 3. Leaks oil from the oil ring of distributor. TA60 tractor is a large, superior agricultural machine with good quality and high efficiency. Correct usage and maintenance will ensure abundant economic benefits.